Welcome to Code as Teach, your topics, our views. Let's start the series of Python MongoDB. Till now we have seen how to connect to the MongoDB, how to insert data into the MongoDB. Let's start how to query the data which is already existing in a database. Okay, so I am using cloud version of the MongoDB. It's already have few collection and the documents created. It has few data. Let's start how to query the data. Suppose I want to retrieve the data with the name like Code as Teach, or something like age is greater than 32 or 30, or salary is greater than 1000. Let's see how to query it. Okay, so for querying this we have to create one query, right? So let's create like my query. Okay, and it contains the column name and value. The first one is the column name. Let's say start the column name is like my name, and the second you have to pass the value which you want to search. Let's say something like code, and it searches the exact search, because by default if we don't put something like regex or anything, it will try to find out the whole name and the code. Okay, and then this queries need to be applied to this collection, because collection has the data. So let's store this in a my result, and then pass something like test collection dot find. It has find and modify, find one and delete. Find gives you all the results. Like suppose if your collection has name with the code more than one, it will give you all the results. Find one only give you the top one results. It will not give you the others. If you want to find and modify at the same time of, it will give you like select and modify. Let's start using find. If pass the my query. Okay, and the result is stored here, right? Let's query the result, because it contains more than one result, so we have to loop for result in my result. Okay, and let's print the result. Okay, let's see the. Okay, because our collection does not have anything named as a code, so it gives you the blank result. But let's see. See, it does not give results, it's only say connection is excluded, because finally block is executed. Now let's change this. Okay, it has few results, few records which contains the name as a. See here, there are few records which is coming as here. Okay, so this is the way to query the MongoDB collection. One more thing, suppose here you don't want to only the name. I want to query the collection with the name, starting with the code or something. Then there is few things you have to remember it. Let's see also. Okay, so in that case we have to pass something like name, the column name, and then suppose let's say something age is greater than 32. Then you have to pass. Here it comes age, and then here you have to pass something like GT, greater than is means GT, and then pass the value. If integer, it's a simple one. Okay, same way we can use the regular expression also, regex, and you have to pass the regular expression to match the query. That's about how to query the MongoDB. Okay. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.